In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the Olight Obulb MC, which is a micro-sized orb-shaped multicolor lantern and signal. The specs are mostly the same, but there are a few differences between the original Olight Obulb and the Obulb MC, which offers a handful of different colored lighting modes that the original Obulb does not, hence the MC. This is the Obulb MC. It weighs 2.04 ounces or 58 grams and has roughly a 2-inch diameter. The Obulb MC is IPX7 rated and also impact resistant to 1.5 meters. It has a built-in 630 mAh 3.7 volt rechargeable lithium polymer battery and a magnetic charging port on the base, which you can use to charge the Obulb in about 1.5 hours. It also has a soft rubber-coated button on the base, which you can use to turn the Obulb on and press to cycle through the different modes. The base is also magnetized, so you can attach it to magnetic surfaces for hands-free use. The Obulb MC has a low warm white mode, which has a max output of 3.5 lumens and a runtime of 40 hours. Olight claims that their original Obulb also has a 3.5 lumen output and a slightly better runtime at 56 hours. This is the Obulb MC's high warm white mode, which has a 75 lumens max output, which is brighter than the original Obulb, which has a max output of 55 lumens. Here's a quick look at how the Obulb MC's warm white modes compare with the MC's red, blue, and green modes, which have outputs between 3 to 7 lumens. Here's a look at the Color Fantasy mode, which fluctuates between 3 to 7 lumens, which has a runtime of about 7 hours. It also has a red flashing mode, which is useful for signaling. There's a few things that I like about the Obulb MC and a few things that I don't. Max runtimes is one of those things that's really important to me, and it's disappointing that an upgraded light would have a poorer runtime than the original Obulb. It's also somewhat annoying that you have to cycle through all of the different output modes just to turn it on and off. However, it is slightly better than the original Obulb's UI, which requires a press and hold to change modes. Being able to swap in and out batteries would also be nice. With regards to the pros, the Obulb MC is actually pretty remarkable. It's really practical and durable and offers a great selection of output modes, which gives the user a lot of flexibility and makes it really useful under numerous circumstances. It's bright enough to light up a small room in an emergency situation, and the multicolor modes are fun to play around with. Thanks for watching the video, and be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and join in the comments below and let us know what you think of the Obulb MC.